Most people who want to start making music never start. Why? Because they open YouTube, they watch 20 random tutorials, and then they realize they're more confused than when they started. They don't know what software to use. They don't know what button to press. And the result? They quit before they even make their first song. If that's you, listen. I built the community I wish existed when I started. A school group designed specifically for beginners, not pros, not people who already know what they're doing, but people who have never made music in their life and want a clear roadmap to producing their first track. Inside, you get access to a full music production course, from the absolute basics to the modern secrets top producers use today. A clear roadmap, step by step, from zero to your first finished song. And here's the kicker. The first 100 people who join get it for free. Not free trial, not free for a month, free forever. Why? Because I want to build the single greatest community for beginner producers on the internet, period. Now, if you're hearing this and you've been saying to yourself, I've always wanted to make music, but I don't know where to start, this is your sign. Click the link in the description, join the community, watch the course, meet other beginners, and actually make your first song. You've got two choices: stay stuck, keep watching random tutorials, and quit again, or take the roadmap I've already built for you. The first 100 get in free forever. After that, it's gone. Don't overthink. Click the link and join us now.